Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated video comparing Amazon's Prime membership in US and Canada. In this video, I'm not going to cover all of the benefits, but just cover some of the key Amazon Prime member benefits in US and Canada. One of the main benefits of Prime membership is free shipping, specifically free one-day shipping, which is available both in US and Canada. Free same-day delivery is also available in select zip code and postal code areas. However, for Prime Canada, it is only available for qualifying orders over $25. Additionally, free release date delivery is available on eligible pre-order items delivered on their release date to eligible zip code and postal code areas. In the US, you can also enjoy unlimited free deliveries and exclusive savings on eligible orders with free Grubhub Plus. Prime membership also includes free access to Amazon Video, a video-on-demand service which gives you access to thousands of TV shows, movies, as well as Amazon Originals. It is now available in both US and Canada. However, the video content is not the same. There is much more content in the US membership. You also get a free mobile app that allows you to download and watch videos offline. Prime Music is another benefit, which gives you free access to millions of popular songs in different genres. It's ad-free music that you can listen anywhere, anytime with the Amazon Music mobile app. Prime Music is available with the US membership and now also comes with the Canadian membership. Prime Gaming is also included in your Prime membership, which gives you access to popular free games, some of which you can see showcased here. Also, as part of Prime Gaming, you get a free Twitch membership to one channel that you want to support. Twitch Prime is available in US and Canada. Prime membership also comes with Prime Photos, which provides free unlimited photo storage and 5 GB for video on Amazon's safe and secure cloud drive. Prime Photos is available both in US and Canada. And you get a free app to organize, backup, and share your photos using a smartphone. Yet another benefit of Amazon Prime is Prime Reading, which gives you unlimited access to thousands of ebooks, popular magazines, comics, and audiobooks. Prime Reading is available for both US and Canadian Prime members. As an Amazon Prime member, you can shop Prime exclusive deals and get early access to lightning deals. This gives members access to these exclusive deals 30 minutes before regular customers. So these are some of the key Amazon Prime benefits available in the US and Canadian Prime membership. However, US Prime members also get access to other benefits. For example, Amazon Kids Plus, which is an all-in-one subscription that gives kids access to thousands of kid-friendly books, movies, educational apps, and games. And Prime members get up to 40% discount. US Prime members also get exclusive deals at Whole Foods Market on qualifying items in-store and online. US Prime members also get an RX Pass on eligible medications for just $5 a month, no matter how many prescriptions they have. The annual cost of the Amazon Prime membership is $139 for the US membership and $99 Canadian for the Canadian membership. The US Prime membership is also available as a monthly subscription for $14.99, but you'll pay much less if you get the Prime annual membership. Similarly, the Canadian Prime membership is also available as a monthly subscription for $9.99, and again, you'll pay less if you get the Prime annual membership. You can test drive Amazon's Prime membership free for 30 days. Check the link in the description section. And finally, just a quick note. If you do get the 30-day trial membership and don't wish to continue after the trial period, remember to cancel a subscription. Well, hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.